Alright guys, we're at the Blue Bank Resort here in Hornbeak, Tennessee. And we're staying here a couple nights. Free boat, go fishing, catch some crappies. Hopefully, let's see what happens. Check this out though. Well, there's the infamous cypress trees. That's the Blue Bank Resort right here. We're heading out. There's random cypress trees out here. Log full of turtles. Yeah, if anybody knows anything about this lake, it's world class, and the Blue Bank Resort is like one of the notorious places here. It's one of the oldest resorts on the lake. And with your cabin or your rental here, you get a boat, bait, ice, and free gas basically in your boat. You don't have to pay for none of that, so it's kind of sick. They didn't even ask me if I ever drove a boat before or nothing. They just looked at me and was like, that son bitch done sail 7 seas.
You got a hell of an insurance policy here.
Yeah, that has to be. Look at this. Feel like I'm back on Lake Erie again, baby. Duck season. Sorry about that. This shit is nothing like home. Amazing. Starting to rain a little bit, but this is gonna pass. Only gonna be for a second. Alright guys, we just talked to a local for a second there. He's right down there. He's on the left side there. He's been killing it. Shout out to that dude. He gave us some jigs, told us what to do. Nate caught the first one. I didn't get it even on film, but it was awesome talking to that guy. That's my first real foot lake. Sockeye. Oh shit. Now hopefully we can get some bigger ones. By the way, they told us, I said, how do you avoid hitting stumps here? Because there's stumps everywhere. I probably hit like 6 or 7 yesterday. And they told us to just, that's pretty good. They were like, just, you gotta get up on plane, just floor it. I was like, all right. Where's that channel at though? Big old brown. I'm gonna try to film this better, but it's really hard because we're literally just jigging right off the boat. And we just now got into some nice fish, but I caught 1 crappie, like 3 or 4 bluegills. But you just sit here and you jig down in the lilies. It's so freaking foreign to me. What you got? Oh, big crappie?
Big crappie.
Nate just lost one with his jigging rod they just bought. He's all freaking jacked up. He thinks he's from fucking the south now.
No backbone in these noodles.
That's the hardest thing though, is these smaller hooks. It's hard to keep.
Nice man.
Bluegill. See? I can get it on film.
You see him here first, folks.
So yeah, we're just literally got 4 or 5 feet of line out, and you just freaking toss it down in these lilies and jig up and down. And it's like ice fishing in the summer.
It's actually pretty calm. Therapeutic. My fish are only 6 inches under, dude.
Yeah.
That crappie.
Alright, I think old son has figured it out.
Oh, it was a lot bigger than this one.
Well, I know that one you just lost.
Yeah. I'm using these small hooks.
Yeah, we have these tiny hooks, and I'll show you what I'm using. This is apparently the juice. It's literally some tinsel on a hook with a tiny jig head. So, I don't know if you guys know about crappie fishing. It's hard to keep them hooked. But I've already lost a crappie. Came flying out of the water. And you can see the lily pads are moving all around us. There's something right here. Let's see if I can get them. Now they're moving over here. It's like everything you've ever learned about fishing does not apply here. Like I would never pull and do a pile of lilies like this, but that's what the one boy told us to do, so you just pull in here and just pick areas and just jig them. Freaking boat hitting the bottom, or fish hitting the bottom of the boat.
Wow. The waxwork, that crappie bit off the waxwork.
Did
he? Yeah.
Alright, maybe I'll throw one on.
But then I got.
What?
I don't know.
Mate's on. Damn.
Help me off.
Broke him off. He had a giant though. Easy killer, easy. These lily pads literally have everything in them. Yeah, hold on. Hold on, hold on. Oh, oh. Don't snap it. There we go. Big old tsunami catfish.
He just had his brother last night.
See you there, dude. Thanks for a good time. The Druminator. Just preparing myself for walleye season in Erie. So I'm catching them off this tiny jig. We got a big thunderstorm rolling in, so we're gonna get back to the lodge, probably get some food, maybe go to a bait shop, I don't know, do some things. Hopefully this storm passes, but it looks pretty gnarly on the radar. It wasn't supposed to come until 11:30 noon, and then all of a sudden I got a ding on my phone. It said 9:46 at 9:40 that it was gonna start raining, so we started heading back, and we were pretty far away. We got like another quarter mile to go, mile, I don't even know. It's hard to judge. Half more, yeah, half, three-quarter. But I don't know why our boat's running so good, but we are smoking the other people in these rentals. Probably about to smoke a big ass log too. They said to keep going fast. They said don't slow down. Get on plane. So that's what we're doing. Going back to the lodge. All right, guys, this is day 2. We really shouldn't even have been fishing today because the thunderstorms are coming, and we're out here anyway. The pattern is freaking jigging them just up against the stumps. It's the weirdest shit. Like, it's so hard for us people from the north to get used to this.
Yeah, the water's so dark you can just jig wherever.
I'll give these ones a try for shaking. Oh, going right in here, baby. Morning, crappie. Got a spot?
I can get here.
Okay.
I don't want to go out to
The stump field or the tree?
the lost city of New Orleans.
Alright. We have our own names for everything now?
Yeah. Probably catfish.
Drum. Nice, quick release, dude. Screw them things. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, back out. Just caught my first fish. Come on. Dude, what the? Big old bluegill.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to switch to that. This is too big, probably.
Yeah, I had the bigger one on, but I took it off. Think he wanted that one? Dude, he hit that so hard. I watched the line shoot sideways 3 feet. Not even joking you. Like,
4 feet wide out.
and I don't know, like, how that even happened. Oh, no. That sucks. White crappie. That one's gonna float in a second. No way. Oh, shit. Hold on, let me get this. Nate's got a gar on.
He's going around the tree.
Steer him back through, brother. Oh, man. Look at that guy. Bottom jaw's broken.
Yeah, it is. Real broken.
Yeah. How the hell did I fish grip this guy? I mean, this is gonna work. I don't want to get bit.
Sorry about the snout.
Hold on.
Yeah, if you push down on him, maybe. He'll break his top snout.
Not trying to. Also not trying to get bit. That fucker is sharp.
Yeah, it's sharp. You get it. Hurt and read it.
You
can't pull it right out right there. Hold him in the water.
I was gonna have you get a picture with him.
Oh.
Here, hold on.
I can get this. Hold that. I'll hold that.
Be careful. You got sharp ass teeth. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. He wasn't coming up. Bring him in the boat if you can. We fought from time to time. Alright, let me get a picture. Grab him if you want. Just grab him from the bottom. Yeah. There you go.
It's like fucking dragon scales. Hold on.
Yeah, guys, sorry about the poor filming, but I don't want to get a shot of every single little bluegill I'm getting. Just trying to show you some fish that you can catch in Reelfoot Lake. Our goal here is those big white crappies, but we'll catch whatever. Even the bluegill are nice. And then all we're doing is just literally jigging these cypress trees just like this. I mean, we fish the lilies, we fish a bunch of different stuff, but this is honestly my favorite. And he's off. He's a big bluegill though. Bluegill's so big you gotta wrestle him. No, thank you. They are fat. Look at all the bugs they get to eat.
Yeah.
If you can't get it, it's all good. Look at this guy. Getting my jig out, fighting a crappie. You guys know nothing about this, dude. I had a bite and then I freaking launched my jig into the tree.
They don't like to break when they're alive.
I don't care. You gotta break it off.
No, they don't like to break.
Oh.
Can you take this rod? Hold
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Two hands.
Yep. Let's see if I can release this crappie.
Big round is a two.
See you later, dude. Another crappie, guys. Like I said, I don't want to bore you with too much of the jigging part. I know I got a lot in there. But, yeah, we're just picking away at them. Pretty neat. A lot of different fish. Is that a striper? Oh. Chill.
Those are good till 6.
Really? Other species off the list? That's what you see darting across back and forth. This one, they move fast. That's what we're after. Let's go, baby. I got hit like 4 or 5 times. Come on. These things fight so hard, dude.
They're very thick.
See you later, Brimmy boy. Hold on, dude. Yeah. Oh, he's off. They had another gar on. As you can see, it's starting to rain and we're in our fucking ponchos. Hell yeah. Make sure our fucking leg is clean. What do you guys think about this? Super nice weather. Trying super hard to get a video done, but it's almost impossible. Oh, we're kind of on the struggle bus here, but this is like the craziest shit I've probably ever done in my life. Oh, I just had a hit. And they bite so quick. It's not even like a... You think they run with it, but they don't. It's got something on. I don't think it, yeah, I don't think it's a crappie. Oh, seen your bobber for a second. Big old drum. Yeah, it ain't no crappie. Watch the other side though, because that anchor line's over here. Catfish. Here. Don't worry, Nate, I got you, buddy. Here you go.
Well, I can get it all right in the water like you did.
No, I got
Right
these.
on the left.
I got these. Fish grips. Come on, don't be a dick. I don't want to snap your line. Stay out of that line. Come here. Catfish hunter, baby. These things never want to let go.
Don't work that good on little jigs, huh?
Yeah, it does, but you ever cook a catfish?
Catfish lips, yeah, they're like freaking leather.
Yeah. Oh, wait, the hook. Oh, you did the whole up, out, and in. There you go. Well, hell yeah, real foot. Good crappie. Go bite that dude's line now.
Decent fish?
Yeah, feels like a good panfish, I think. No, dude, don't go in there. Can't be a panfish now. Oh, dude, it's huge. Yeah. Oh my god.
With those grabbers? Right behind you.
What is it?
Drum.
Big drum. Hell yeah, drums it is. Just getting my practice in before I head to Erie.
What? You unlocked them.
Look at that. You let him go.
Oh.
Yep. Hold on. You got it? So far, me and Nate are killing the trash fish, baby.
I'm almost out.
Big old spawning son of a bitch.